Imagine a stablecoin that does not depend on banks, dollar reserves, or government regulations, but still stays stable at $1. Sounds impossible, right? That is exactly what Athena Labs is building with their token ENA and their innovative stablecoin USDe. This is more than just another crypto project. It is an attempt to reinvent money itself in a way that is crypto-native, decentralized, and potentially resistant to the failures of traditional banking. So, what is Athena? How does ENA fit into this? And most importantly, is it really a safe investment for the future or just another risky experiment? Let's break it all down in simple terms. What is Athena Labs? Athena Labs is a crypto company focused on solving one big problem. Stablecoins today depend on banks. Take USDT or USDC. They are backed by real dollars sitting in banks. That works fine, but what happens if governments ban them or if banks freeze those funds? Suddenly, billions of dollars in crypto could vanish. Athena's solution is different. Instead of relying on traditional dollars, they created a synthetic stablecoin called USDe. Here is how it works. Normally, if you hold Ethereum, its price can go up or down. But Athena uses a strategy where it buys Ethereum and at the same time shorts Ethereum futures, meaning it bets against Ether in the same amount. If the price of Ether goes up, one side makes money. If Ether goes down, the other side makes money. Together, the ups and downs cancel each other out, leaving you with something stable around $1. That is how USD stays pegged to the dollar without actually holding dollars. It is like building a digital dollar that lives fully on crypto rails. The role of ENA token. Now, where does ENA come in? ENA is the governance and utility token of Athena. It has three major uses. First, governance. If you hold ENA, you can vote on decisions like which assets to use as collateral, upgrades to the protocol, and the overall direction of Athena. Think of ENA holders as shareholders of the system. Second, restaking for security. Athena is building cross-chain transfers for its stablecoin. To keep that safe, ENA holders can restake their tokens, basically acting as security guards of the system. The more ENA staked, the more secure the network becomes. Third, yield and rewards. If you lock your ENA, you can earn rewards. This includes airdrops from future Athena-related projects, as well as ecosystem incentives. So ENA is not just a token for speculation. It is directly tied to the health and governance of the stablecoin ecosystem. Why is Athena different? Let's compare. USDT and USDC are backed by banks in cash, stable but centralized. DAI is backed by Ethereum and other crypto, but still partially relies on USDC reserves. USDe, created by Athena, is backed by crypto positions and smart financial engineering. No reliance on banks. This makes USDe crypto native and potentially censorship resistant. But that is not all. Athena also has SUSD, a yield-bearing version of USD. So instead of just holding $1, you can earn passive returns, because the protocol captures yield from staking Ethereum and futures markets. On top of that, Athena is working with institutions on USDTB, a more traditional stablecoin backed by cash and United States treasuries. This gives them both a DeFi product, USDe, and a compliant product, USDTB. Tokenomics and investor security. Now let's talk about ENA as an investment. Athena has set up rules to protect long-term holders. For example, if early investors get ENA tokens, they must lock 50% of them to keep their remaining allocation. If they try to dump everything, they lose out. This discourages short-term mercenary capital and rewards people who stay committed. But there are risks too. Complexity risk. The whole delta-neutral strategy depends on futures markets. If liquidity dries up, stability could be tested. Regulatory risk. Even though USDe does not rely on banks, regulators could still challenge the system. Adoption risk. For ENA to grow, people must trust USD as a stablecoin. If users do not adopt it, the system does not scale. So ENA is not a guaranteed safe bet, but it is a strong innovation in the stablecoin market. Future potential. Looking ahead, Athena has big ambitions. They do not just want to build a stablecoin, They want to become the backbone of decentralized finance money. Imagine a future where instead of using USDT or USDC, most decentralized finance apps and blockchains use USDe because it is decentralized and stable. That would put Athena at the center of crypto's financial system. Athena is also planning new products, like under-collateralized lending and decentralized exchanges powered by ENA and USDe. If successful, this could turn ENA into one of the most important governance tokens in decentralized finance. Here is the big picture. Athena Labs created USDe, a crypto-native stablecoin that does not rely on banks. The ENA token powers governance, security, and rewards within the system. It is innovative, but comes with risks, especially around adoption and market conditions. If Athena succeeds, ENA could become one of the most important tokens in the stablecoin and decentralized finance space. In short, ENA is not just another coin. It is part of a bigger bet on the future of money without banks. If you believe that the future of crypto needs stable, decentralized dollars, then Athena and ENA might be a project worth watching closely. But remember, always do your own research. This is not financial advice.